Sir John, na utibi tie ba omiafo no ye debate bi say ye adwuma na ken kritia nka wo say Dangote Nigeria president. Are they omo communicators? I want to meet such people. Sir John, Trump is a businessman and a politician. Why a president? Yeah. Dangote is not a politician. This is a common sense. You people don't know how to debate and communicate. Elon Musk or a politician? Your friends, Microsoft, the way what is it? Or a politician? And this obi say obi banu obi to me a creative job. Or say you nunti dia cause Dangote. Common sense. This is a childish debate. But Kennedy Agyapong is a politician and a businessman. Such person here. So it's a fact. Trump is a politician and a businessman. Now we'll be quite for Kennedy Agyapong to Trump. And for them to don't because don't go on your politics. On Nigerian politicians. It is your job, Mr. Kennedy Agyapong. A human so on the bet me creative. It is out to one how kokas and pa. Na convince obi na akwana say.
Nurse for ya mo omugu aban so yi.
Say John, say owo ho sa agenda ho anwen. It is one of the best initiatives. Yeah. How many hospitals?
One I was 100 and
say John, it is you remove 50. Sankrofo mu sin ebeba. The only person you can do is Kennedy Agyapong. I'm telling you the fact. Now to credit him so ne bitima. Say your tiny ya now to credit him so no be. Say John, the factories no dey never less than 100. Say John.
And na nurse for.
Adwuma ne pe Ghana.
And na nurse for.
And I say Ghana for so.
And no more demonstration.
If you obey obetna. And I make sure say yan to aba no Kennedy Agyapong.
Say na men nyina to betwa.
Say oba, say de nyina be end. Kwajo. Adwuma ne betimi aba. Unye obi o create more jobs within on 1 year yi enwuma ye no dodo na wo se ye wa ha on say wakoji land o baby a obesi pharmaceutical yi big one we awe say no kro wi ebefa o ma kan ebefa ni pase. This is the man we are talking about. Yes obejina na aban sika no wo de bia wo tuaka fa bi create enwuma no wa ha.